Grip to presentation. Question. Your friends invited you to join them in there. Volunteer work after class you really like. To join them, however, you still need finish your modules and learning output. How you apply the self-discipline.
Here you are, we've been looking for you.
What do you need?
Come with us later. We have a volunteer works activity. The barangay will be cleaning and handing out relief goods.
It's going to be fun, helping others and bonding at the same time.
They said there'd be free snack after too. Ha ha ha.
I really want to come, but I still have to finish my modules and learning output for school.
It tomorrow instead. We do not take long. We are just going to the plaza.
I know it's tempting to join and help out, but I really need to prioritize my schoolwork. The deadline is tomorrow. If I don't finish, I might get in trouble.
Wow, you're so dedicated. That's inspiring.
You're right, it's hard to the balance things sometimes. At least you know your priorities.
Yeah, there's a right time for everything. Once I finish everything, I can join you all. And with a clear mind, I'll promise I make up to you next time.
It's totally fine. Your self-discipline is on another level. Respect.
Luck with your modules. Let us know if you need help.
Thanks so much, guys. Take care later. Okay, see you soon.